The process of rain. Rain is the event that drops of water fall from the sky to the surface of the earth. Rain is also the cycle of water on earth in Indonesia. In general, rain occurs from, from October to February. The process of rain occurs through several stages, but basically, the process of rain is caused by evaporation of earth, along with its contents, including evaporation and, and water, such as efforts, lakes, seas, animals, plants, and humans, and so on, that contains water on earth and the flow to the plants. The levels. How does the rain? Does the sun happily illuminated the earth to the energy from the sunlight? Evaporation will occur, or also called evaporation in the seas, like rivers, oceans, and various other sources on earth to produce water vapor. This water vapor will rise to the surface at the certain height and variations condensation, namely condensation or formation of water droplets. Condensation occurs when the temperature of the vapor is lower than 2 point of the water vapor. The water vapor produced by sunlight will float. Then when occurs to do differences in orbits will carry water droplets. That's why water droplets will nature or be called the coagulation process. Water droplets will be called by Earth's gravity and fall all or fall to the words will call it respiration. When it falls to do or water droplets will pass through a warmer layer so that some of the water droplets will evaporate again upwards, and after the droplets will evaporate comes down to the earth as rain, and this water called rain.